Hi everyone, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travels. Today I'm going to give you a very easy peasy recipe of crotons. But before I start, please subscribe my channel Foodistan Travel. So let's start. I'm using here whole wheat bread. You can use any kind of bread you like. So we will need 5 pieces of bread, salt, dried petersile, olive oil, dried oregano, black pepper and garlic powder. You can use any other herb you like. First we will make the dressing for coating the crotons. So first you will add 8 to 10 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of oregano dried leaves. You can also use fresh leaves. Then a tablespoon of petersile herb. You can also use cilantro or any other herb you like. Add a teaspoon of black pepper powder or chili powder, it's totally optional. Then you can add a teaspoon of salt. You can increase the amount of salt and chili according to your taste. Now mix all the ingredients well until well combined and keep aside. The next step is to cut the bread into bite-sized pieces or a very small pieces. You can also adjust the size of the cubes according to your wish. Now add all the pieces of bread into the dressing we have made it before. Then mix the pieces of bread with dressing until well combined and all the bread pieces coated well. At that moment you can add a tablespoon of oil if it's not that sticky. Now using a ceramic or Pyrex plate, bake these bread pieces that turn into croutons. I am using microwave oven. You can also use normal oven. If you are using oven, then you need to preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade and bake the croutons for 15 to 20 minutes or until crispy. Now I am going to put my croutons into the microwave oven for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will again put the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes or as needed so that the croutons will be crispier. Do not overcook, otherwise it will burn and taste bitter. Now take out the croutons and allow it to cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes at a room temperature. You can even check the croutons with your hands so that you can feel the texture and crispiness of the croutons. Now take a airtight jar or polythene Ziploc bag. Keeping croutons in airtight jar or airtight Ziploc bag helps your croutons remain crunchy and crispy for a longer period of time. Do not forget to write the date of preparation on the bag or on the jar so you will know when it's not able to use. But these crotons will last for almost 1 to 2 months. Alright, your crispy crotons are ready. Do try this recipe at your home and leave your experience below in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels for more and more recipes.